Hi. Picture this. You're finally on Christmas vacation. Maybe you're sipping cocoa by a snowy cabin, visiting loved ones across the country, or simply enjoying a well-earned break. The carols are playing, the spirit is bright, but back home, your empty house isn't just resting, it's speaking. And to a certain unwelcome kind of visitor, it might just be sending an invitation. We often think of burglary in terms of force, a smashed window, a kicked-in door, but in reality, most break-ins are crimes of opportunity. A burglar isn't looking for a challenge on Christmas Eve, they're looking for the easiest gift under the neighborhood's tree. That's why before you pack your bags and string up the lights, the most important thing you can do is switch your mindset. Let's think like a burglar for just 3 minutes. First, stand outside your own home. What do you see? Is the driveway conspicuously empty for days? Do those festive twinkling outdoor lights also create deep, convenient shadows by the back door? Are there piles of delivery boxes by the recycling bin, loudly advertising all the new electronics inside? The goal here isn't to live in fear, but to simply see what they see. Ask a trusted neighbor to collect your mail and packages. Use timers on interior lights, not just one lamp, but in different rooms, to mimic the lived-in rhythm of your evening. A dark, silent house from 5 p.m. to midnight is a clear signal. Next, walk your perimeter. That spare key under the flower pot? It's the first place they'll check. The ladder left out in the side yard? That's not a tool for hanging garlands, it's a second-story access point. Give every window and door a firm press and pull. Are locks sturdy? Are frames solid? An old flimsy lock on a back door is like wrapping a bow around your valuables. Finally, look inside from the outside. Can your beautiful Christmas tree with the presents piled high beneath it be seen clearly from the street? It's a joyful sight for you, but a catalog of potential loot for a passerby. Consider closing the curtains in that room, especially at night. And don't forget the digital trail. Broadcasting your perfect beach getaway in real time on social media is like sending a public service announcement. It's okay to share those photos, just do it when you're back, savoring the memories. This isn't about paranoia, it's about peace of mind. The true spirit of the season is joy, connection, and tranquility. By taking 30 minutes to do this simple, burglar-minded audit, you're giving yourself a priceless Christmas gift, the freedom to relax fully, knowing you've been a diligent guardian of your own hearth and home. So before you jingle all the way, take a quick walk. Make your home a silent, secure fortress so you can enjoy your vacation with a light and merry heart. After all, the only surprises waiting for you when you return should be the leftover cookies and the warm feeling of being home for the holidays.